You've probably seen these videos all over your feed. Cozy, relaxing scenes that feel warm and peaceful, but something about them feels off. Right now, this cozy horror niche is exploding, pulling in millions of views. And some Instagram creators are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers fast, with videos hitting over 80 million views. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral cozy horror videos using AI, even if you're starting from scratch. So if you want to tap into one of the fastest growing viral niches on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, make sure you watch till the end. Now let's get into it. The first step to creating viral cozy horror videos is generating your image prompts and video prompts. Go ahead and click the Google Doc in the description below. Inside, you'll find a ready-to-use prompt template specifically designed for the cozy horror niche, so you don't have to start from scratch. Copy that prompt, then open your favorite AI tool. In this case, we're using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, the AI will generate multiple viral cozy horror video ideas you can choose from. You can either pick one of those ideas or type in your own custom concept. Once you've decided, hit enter again. And just like that, the AI will generate high-quality image prompts for your scene. It will also create a detailed video prompt, which you'll use later to animate your visuals and turn them into a cinematic, viral-ready video. Now that your prompts are ready, it's time to generate high-quality AI image that will make your cozy horror videos stand out and go viral. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and click on Create with Flow, then log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Project to open the image generation tool. Before you generate anything, make sure you set your aspect ratio to 9:16, portrait mode. This is extremely important if you want your videos to perform well on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, choose the number of image variations you want to generate. The more variations you create, the higher your chances of getting a viral cinematic quality result. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy your cozy horror image prompt and paste it directly into the prompt box in Flow AI. Hit generate, and within seconds, you'll get ultra-realistic, high-detail images. Take your time to review each result carefully and choose the one that looks the most cinematic, realistic, and visually striking. This is key for grabbing attention. Once you've found the best one, go ahead and download it to your device. The next step is to turn your AI-generated image into a viral cinematic video. Head back to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Upload the image you just created as your reference image. This helps the AI maintain consistency and realism. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy your cozy horror video prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste it directly into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click Generate. And within seconds, Flow AI will transform your image into a high-quality, ultra-realistic cinematic video. When it's done, preview your result. Notice how smooth, detailed, and immersive the motion looks. That's exactly what makes these videos perform so well on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the video to your device. The final step is editing your AI video to make it viral ready. Open CapCut, tap New Project, and import your clip. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. If there's a watermark, zoom or stretch the video slightly to remove it. To boost engagement, let's add video effects. Go to Effects, click on Video Effects, and you will be presented with lots of video effects. Go through them and select the one you prefer, then drag it throughout the clip. When finished, tap Export and increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and download the video to your device. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below.